Welcome back to the channel, and today, we gonna check out Dewalt's right angle attachment. It seems to be the latest and greatest angle attachment, and it comes in a slim shape, slimmer than the previous right angle thingies from Dewalt. The DWARA120 claims to have the best in class performance. Made to be used in impact drivers. And 10 times longer life than a Milwaukee 49-22-8510. That looks pretty ancient to us. How about using the Shockwave edition? Links are in the description below. Way smaller footprint than the Milwaukee. That applies to 1-inch driver bits and keeps some pliers ready for the shown reason. The magnetism for fastener retention can hold some weight. So let's see how that attachment performs in real life. Pretty neat, and for the average price tag of $18, there is slim to none regret to add one to your shopping basket. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more.